So we have elevation, we have depression, which I've shown you. Elevation, we are moving up. Depression, we are decreasing. So protraction and what? Retraction. Remember I told you that in protraction, you are stretching to see the person, while in retraction, you are returning back to your position. Now this is inversion and this is what? Eversion. And remember, in inversion, we are actually, what's happening? The movement of the sole of the foot towards the median plane. So this is our median plane. Remember, median plane is the plane that cuts the body into two equal left and right parts from the head to the tail or the caudal part. So this is our median plane. So inversion, we are moving the toe towards the median plane. That's why we call it inversion. Eversion, we are moving the toe away from the what? From the median plane. And in dorsiflexion, the toes are brought closer to the shin. This decreases the angle between the ankle and the leg. So where is your ankle? This is our ankle, and or the whole part or this is now our leg. So what is happening there is in dorsiflexion. Now look at this three diagram. Diagram A is what we call dorsiflexion. Diagram B is what we call diagram C is what's called flexion, and B is what's normal. So in A, dorsiflexion, what is happening? We are decreasing the angle between the what? Between the ankle and the leg. Now take a look at our ankle, or you call this our ankle, and this is now our leg. So what is happening? We are decreasing the angle. Look at the angle. The angle is decreased. That is what we call it dorsiflexion. So what of flexion or plantar flexion? The movement which decreases the angle between the sole of the foot and the back of the leg. So we are decreasing the angle between the sole. Look at the sole of the foot and look at the what? The leg. So as we are decreasing this angle, this is what we call what? Flexion. Now let's talk about medial rotation and lateral rotation. So in medial rotation, we are moving the forearm. Remember, this is our arm. Remember, this is our arm and this is our forearm. Don't forget, our forearm is this one we can see here, while our arm is this one. So in medial rotation, we are moving the arm towards the midline. Now look at our midline. It cuts the body into two equal left and right parts. So in our medial rotation, medial we are moving towards, lateral we are moving away. So whenever you hear lateral, we are moving away. So look at lateral. This is what's called lateral rotation because we're moving it away from the midline, and this is what's called medial rotation because we're moving it towards the what? Towards the midline. Let's talk about circumduction. I told you circumduction is the combination of adduction, combination of flexion, extension, and what? Rotation. So this is what we call what? Rotation. So in circumduction is the movement in which abduction, flexion, extension, and abduction is what? Exhibited. So this is all we have for today. See you next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this on Sagacious Learners.